Hey guys, we're in the kitchen today, and today we're going to make some no-bake cookies. And these are called Avalanche cookies. We're going to be using Rice Krispies, Honey Nut Cheerios. The kids are really going to love this one. We're also going to need some white chocolate chips. You're going to take your favorite peanut butter, and you're also going to need some cookie butter. So I have some Biscoff cookie butter here. And these are the 5 ingredients that we're going to need. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And we're going to start by heating our chocolate chips up in the microwave. And I have a microwave safe bowl here. And we're going to go ahead and get those chocolate chips into our bowl. We're going to go ahead and get these into the microwave. And we're going to heat those up in 15-minute increments. Okay? Okay, this is our first 15 minutes. Nothing's happening yet. So we're going to put them back in there. Okay, they're starting to melt some now. You can see they're sticking to the spatula. You just want to make sure you watch it closely. Okay, we're going to continue this until we get it all melted. Okay, as you can see, everything is all melted. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add in our peanut butter and our cookie butter. And we need a half a cup each. Okay. And the best way to get sticky product out of a measuring cup is to give it a light little spray. Okay, it's not going to alter your taste or anything. So we're going to go ahead and get us a half a cup of this peanut butter in there. This would be a good recipe to get the kids into the kitchen with you. All right, so we have about half a cup of peanut butter. Okay. And then we're going to get a half a cup of the cookie butter. And if you're looking for cookie butter, you would find it in the peanut butter aisle. Okay. A little bit more, and we are ready to stir our Avalanche cookies together. Okay, how simple is that? No bake. I love it. Let's get that get our bowl back over here. Get this into our bowl and make sure you get every bit of that out of there. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Get that all stirred together. Easy peasy. Check it out. Guys, I want to give this a taste before we start adding our cereal in. Let me see what it tastes like. It looks absolutely beautiful. Oh, wow. I love that. All right, let's give it a taste. Let's see what we're working with here. That's pretty good. It's not too sweet. It's a great balance with the peanut butter and the cookie butter. I can taste them both. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and measure off our cereal. We need 2 cups. 2 cups of Rice Krispies. So we have 2 cups of Rice Krispies. Get those in there. And we also are going to give them 2 cups of Honey Nut Cheerios. So it's a great balance because the Rice Krispies are not sweet. The cereal by itself is not sweet, but the Honey Nut Cheerios still have a hint of sweetness to them. So we have 2 cups of the Honey Nut Cheerios. Get those in there. Okay. And I'm working backwards. I should have had my baking sheet already ready, but that's okay. I'll get it ready quickly. And get this all mixed together. Avalanche! Oh, wow. Yeah, that looks so good. Okay, look at that. All right, so let me quickly get my cookie sheet together and we'll be back. Okay, we have our cookie sheet prepared here. So what I'm going to do, you want to take about 2 tablespoons of your cookies and kind of smash them down just a tiny bit so that they can resemble a cookie. So you can put them pretty close because you don't have to worry about them spreading because this is a no-bake cookie. Okay. You're going to go ahead and get all these on your cookie sheet. And we're going to come back and I'll give you the next step. So now I'm just going to take a spoon and kind of smush these down a little bit. When they firm up, they can have a nice little shape. Okay. I say these are good for lunch boxes. They're just perfect. They're perfect to nibble on movie night. I would say just a little nice dessert. We're going to take a little bit from this one and add to this one to fatten it up a little bit. All right. I'm going to give them a nice little shape. Okay. We're going to take these and put them into the refrigerator and let them firm up a little bit. And when we come back, I'm going to have one more ingredient to finish this recipe off. Avalanche cookies, guys. Nice little treat. How cute are those? Okay, so while our cookies are chilling, I'm gonna go ahead and melt some chocolate. I'll put a little chocolate in here and go ahead and get it melted. I also have some chocolate bark here, some almond bark. I'm gonna cut it up a little bit so it can go ahead and melt as well. Just need a little bit because we're going to drizzle this on top of our cookies. So we're going to take the 2 of these and we're going to use those and go ahead and get them melted, and when we come back we're going to be drizzling our cookies. I just pulled my cookies from the refrigerator, and as you can see they are nice and firm. Take a look at that. They're nice and firm. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we have some chocolate here that I melted in the microwave, and I put them in this Ziploc bag, and we're going to snip a little end off. I have some chocolate, I have some almond bark there, and I have some white chocolate here. All right. So we just want to drizzle it. On top of your cookie. Let's give the almond bark a try here. Guys, this is a great recipe to get the kids involved in the kitchen. Make it a fun activity. To be quite honest with you, you can dip the entire cookie, and to me, the flavors are in line with a Nutty Buddy bar. Please give this simple no-bake cookie a try and leave me some comments on your thoughts and suggestions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, life is great when you keep it simple. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.